Good morning, everyone. So today I don't really have a let me not, because I do have a lot to do, because I have to go get my nails done, which I'm going to show you guys how I get my nails done, and like what you should look for in a nail tech. I'm going to show you guys all that and tell you guys all that, because my nail tech is bomb. Okay, I'm also going to go to the grocery store. I'm going to go to Best Buy because I have to pick up something for vlogging and taking pictures, and then I'm going to go over to church later around 7:30. But I have to cook, because today is what, Wednesday? Yeah, we don't have anything prepared, so I need to cook some food for me and my mom that can last us the next like 2 to 3 days. I always say 2 to 3 days, and it only lasts like 2 days. I don't know, but yeah, let's go. Let's go. Oh, and yes, I am rocking my Michelle Obama hat, which you know, my first lady. This is my nail tech. This is her little room, her little setup. She's so cute. But yeah, so this is her little setup or whatever. I just want to show you guys that I don't come, baby, I don't come to a nail salon. They don't do my nails right. All right, it'd be broken. Baby girl, it's broken in a day. I don't have time for that. But I have, all right, so y'all, I soak off my nails because I get my nails done every 2 weeks. I try to. Most of the time it's like 3 weeks, but when the third week, it's like grown out crazily. So I soaked my nails off last night, but this one was not, it would not trying to come off, so we just gonna soak that off right now. After we got the leftover acrylic off my nails, she buffed them out and we started getting my nails together, honey. And I soak off my nails before I go to her. This time I soaked them off the night before and I just got tired and it just wasn't coming off. I soak my nails off with pure acetone that I get from Sally Beauty, and I use a bowl specifically for soaking my nails. I don't use like a bowl that I use to eat out of, like, because acetone is a chemical. Girl, no, don't do that. I found my nail tech on Instagram, and I will leave her information in the description box below, so if anybody's in the DMV area, y'all can go check my girl out. There's actually a lot of good nail techs in the DMV, you just have to find them. So what I looked for when I was looking for a good nail tech is videos. Like pictures, like they're good pictures, you can edit a picture, but a video you really cannot edit for real. Like you can't make the shape look different, you know what I mean? So a video is going to tell you 1,000 words about that nail tech. The video is going to show you how thick the nail tech makes her nails, and it's going to show you how the shape looks from different angles, because a shape can look good from the front, but from different angles it looks crazy. So before you go to the salon, make sure you know what you want. So have your pictures ready. If you like this bling set from this picture and you like this design over here, make sure you have it all ready. And before you go in, when you make your appointment, let them know, like, I want this, that, and the third, so that they can have the products ready. They can check if they have the products, because if you go there and they don't have the products, you're gonna be pissed, because now you have to figure out what you want on the spot. You feel me? Now when you get to your nail tech spot, make sure before you guys start, you let them know, I want this, that, and the third. And while she or he is doing your nails, just pay attention so that if something is off, you can let them know and you don't get to the end and you're like, oh, this ain't, you know, what I wanted. So for my nails, I asked for a glow in the dark with fairy dust, and it came up to $105, and that included the glow in the dark acrylic, my shape, which is Coffin, and the fairy dust. Also, Coffin has different levels. Like, you can get it skinnier or you can have it a little bit fatter. Mine is kind of like in the middle, but just make sure you have a picture of the shape that you want, because shape is like Shape will make or break a set, for real. Oh, and for the glow in the dark, it's not just going to glow in the dark when you're in the dark. Like, you have to either be in sunlight or you have to put your nails under like a lamp or something so that it can kind of charge it up in a sense. You pretty much have to charge up your nails and then it glows. It's not just gonna glow. So right now, I am about to go to Wegmans. The new nails, who this? What you say? People probably looking at me in the car like, what's wrong with her? But now, new nails, who this? What was you saying? What? It's like, nah. I'm hungry now though. I had some overnight oats earlier today or whatever, and I'm about to go to Wegmans to get some re-up on some stuff so I can do a little meal prepping with y'all today. And I'm gonna get some sushi because sushi just be so good. And I'm gonna show y'all, I be having good snacks for y'all, so I'm gonna show y'all what it is. But so got you nigga to cook. Alright, y'all, I just got back in the house and my room is a mess. Like, stuff is everywhere, so I'm about to actually clean up. Bruh, am I the only one that doesn't know how to fold these, like the fitted sheets? Let me show y'all what I do. That's it. Oh, this little stuff on my forehead is blowing me. I hate it so much. But I'm about to eat. Y'all, this is what I was talking about. This right here, bitch. This is the best guacamole I've ever had. It's better than Chipotle. Chipotle not even that good no more, honestly, but it's just so good. It's so good. I'm about to make my zucchini, Alfredo, broccoli, spinach pasta. It's just a whole bunch of vegetables, but it tastes so good. And I told you guys, right now we're on a fast, so we can't eat any meats. But if I wasn't on a fast, I'd put some chicken in it or some spinach. But this is all the ingredients. I have a lot of spinach because, you know, spinach what is it called, Ma? Like, it wilts, it shrinks. It's like, it's not gonna look like this much when I, you know, use it. And then we have zucchini noodles. Yeah, we have some parsley. We have grape tomatoes, garlic. I love garlic and everything. Pam, the broccoli. This is frozen broccoli. I would rather have fresh broccoli, but this what we have, so this what we gonna use. And then some shredded Parmesan cheese, some red pepper flakes. This is so it can get a little spicy. And then the Alfredo sauce. This is the Alfredo sauce I use. I don't think it really matters which one you use, but this is the one I use. It's from Wegmans. I'm gonna wash off my spinach, my broccoli, and my zucchini pasta. Start sauteing the tomatoes and the spinach with the garlic and the Alfredo sauce. No, not the Alfredo sauce, just the garlic and the spinach and the tomatoes. But I need to chop up my tomatoes first. Alright, and I put it on medium heat. My broccoli is like pretty much almost cooked. That's not gonna take long to cook, so I'm gonna add my tomatoes as well. I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper. Okay, I just covered it with the top so that the tomatoes can cook and get softer. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. And then I'm gonna add in the zucchini pasta and the Alfredo sauce. But I'm about to wash these dishes while that's doing that real quick, because you got multitask when you're cooking. So remember that. And just mix this up. And I'm gonna add my broccoli to it. Woo! Add that Alfredo sauce. Yummy, yummy. Alright, let's add some red pepper flakes. It's still on low. Then I'm gonna add some parsley. Get a good little handful of that. Okay, and then the cheese. I'm back home and I have the hiccups. Like, that's annoying. Why am I getting hiccups? Why am I still growing? These are questions that need to be answered, honestly. I'm about to wash my face and take off my makeup and stuff. You guys see, like, my skin has never been this bad. Like, it's bad here. It's been bad here on my chin. And that's usually from my period. But it's never been bad on my forehead. Like, this is a little wild, and I really think it's due to me wearing hats and working out, and then like the sweat and then the germs and bacteria and stuff, it just goes in my pores, because when you're sweating your pores open up. So I know that's probably one of the reasons. I'm like, am I stressed out? But that's why I've been doing my skincare routine lately, and it's been doing this daggone thing. But yeah, I'm done my skincare routine. I'm done for the day. Yo, I'm so freaking tired. I'm about to edit this video, this vlog for you guys. If you guys like these vlogs, please let me know in the comment section. Like this video so I can know that y'all are messing with these vlogs, because I actually like making them. But if y'all don't like it, like, I don't want to keep making stuff that y'all don't like. Like, that's not fun. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel and a part of the gang. And also follow me on Instagram. Definitely do that. I'm gonna get to 100K this year on Instagram, and I'm gonna get to 250K on YouTube. But for real, you guys, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.